Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at my second order from Archer and Olive for the fall reset and the bring back the favorites. This is mostly bring back the favorites. There's a couple fall reset items. So I'm going to start with one of those. I swore I had filmed this item, but I can't find it, so I guess I didn't. So this is the pouch pen bag. Not really sure what they called this, that they released with the fall reset. So it's vegan leather. It's got the charm. The charms are Archer and Olive, and then it's got this old-fashioned phone on it, and it's like a pink. So it's got a decent-sized bottom, decent-sized top. It has, we'll go back to that in a minute, decent inside, cute fabric like the B5 planner cover that doesn't fit anything, decent pocket inside, and then we've got two more pockets over here. The bottom does not come out, but it is sewn very well, so I have no doubt that it will stand up for a while. And then we've got this, which has pen loops, and then this zipper for this clear pocket, which runs all the way. Like, I can fit my whole hand in here. So you could fit washi tape, stickers, all kinds of stuff in there. And then you can, depending on how much stuff you stuff in there, you can snap it closed, and then you can snap it in. Now, the problem with it being empty is that it's not, like, there's nothing pulling it down. So when I go to zip it right now, well, you should always be careful of getting fabric in a zipper because it does have a fabric lining, so be careful of that. But it's very close to the top. So you just want to watch until you put things in it that weigh down that little attachment. You just want to mind where, like, maybe try to push it down a little. And then it'll zip. Alternatively, you could not snap it to the bag, in which case it falls down further and then it's not an issue at all. But yeah, so I like this. It's a decent size. It will fit in most of my planner bags, so, and the charm's cute. So yes, I was happy to get that. Alright, now what else was from the fall reset? Okay, so I grabbed some sticker sheets. I think I hadn't grabbed all of them, or I hadn't grabbed any. I don't remember which. So I bought these. They're the decorative leaves, because I like the decorative leaves. And the little florals. And it's a little gold foil. It's not a lot. So it's not awful. I'll put those away later. Otherwise, I'm going to sit here for an hour fiddling with those. Alright, so I'm pretty sure the rest of this is from Bring Back the Favorites. If I'm wrong, let me know. So the first is the Archer and Olive calligraphs. This is the tropical selection, and I got it pretty much because I just didn't know that it existed. I really thought we filmed this, but, you know, I'm probably going senile in my old age, so it's alright. We'll just grab a piece of, you know, I might remember doing the jewel tone ones from the last video, you know. The bag is what threw me off. Alright, so these are calligraphs and they have their name on them. So this one is gray. Hopefully we're not having a focus issue. So that is like super light gray. That's almost like one of those super light Tombos. And then you've got the smaller nib. And then we've got, what are you? Purple. That's what the cap looks like. So that's pretty good. And it's literally just purple. Is it tropical purple? I don't know. Alright, now what do we got? Parrot green. These should be the exact same colors as the acrylographs. They should be. Are they? I don't know. But they should be. I don't remember. We did the abundance of tropical acrylographs a while back. Alright, now we've got lime green, which on here looks yellow, right? So we'll see. Yeah, I mean, we'll let it dry, but that looks more yellow than green, at least in this light. So I'm thinking this probably should have said like lemon lime. And even then, like, I don't see much of a green tinge. Maybe when it dries, we'll check back on it. Okay, and this one is called Pool Blue. Wish my pool was that blue right now. Leaves falling and it's just like a disaster. I gotta close it for the year. Okay, and now we've got teal. I'm just gonna move over here. Oh, all right, I made that one a little thicker than usual. Some of these caps are hard to get off at first. Over time, I think they get looser. But it's important to make sure they're snapped into place. Otherwise, you're gonna have a problem. Okay, mint. All right, we started with the small one. I'll agree with mint for that. And this one is orange yellow. I will go with orange. Definitely orange. Oh, sorry. This is literally just called pink. That's what the cap looks like. Here's what it looks like on here. And our last one is orange. Oh, I did it again. And that is definitely orange. Okay, so this is the tropical acrylographs. And that's all their tops. So I grabbed some design team pins that I just really liked. Like, I watch all the content from everybody on the design team. This one, the last one, I don't remember if there was one before that. But like, I watch all their content. So I just picked out, this is like, unlike the other two where it's like people that I interact with and I really like them and that's why I bought their pins. These are just pins I really liked and I happen to like recognize the names from the content I watch. So this is Sarah's pin and it's a crescent moon with a flower and I love that. And then this is Masha's pin and it says coffee and planning. She's got the coffee mug and like the paintbrush and the markers. I guess that's an acrylograph and all kinds of stuff here. And this just, I really liked that. And her content's good too. And then this one is Kate and it's coffee and it says you got this. And of course, you know, coffee. I like coffee. So I grabbed those. Alright, now for some reason I opened this and I don't remember why. I also, to be perfectly honest with you, have no idea why I purchased this. Not a clue. This is a Neapolitan notebook. I don't even remember what it's called. It's the one with the teapot on it. Okay, so I have to move things around because I can't tell if you guys can see them or not. Alright, so it looks like you can see it. So this is the one with the teapot. So this is a Neapolitan Traveler's Notebook. Why would I order another Traveler's Notebook? So I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I meant to order like an A5 or something and messed up. So yeah, so no idea what will become of this. I mean, the outside's cute and all. I just don't know that I want to use a Neapolitan for like a journal, like maybe for something else. But anyway, if you like it and you've been looking for this one, it was still on the Archer and Olive website. All bets are off today, but you can go check. Alright, next one. Okay, so I had already opened this, and I did buy a second one. I had already opened this for the last video, and didn't have it on me to show you. And another one was available, so I grabbed it. I'm assuming this is the same one. It looks like the same one. I hope it's the same one. Is it the same one, or did I buy the other one? I don't think the other one was there. I don't think the other one was available. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. So, this is the Greater Good. Excuse me. Oh, totally missed my trash bin. That's okay. So, this is the Greater Good Drip Galaxy that I had taken out of the box that night and started using, and subsequently did not have it for the last video. But I love it so much, I decided I needed a second one, so before they disappear again. So this is the notebook, It has silver hollow foil, stars on the outside, all the way around. It's a vegan leather cover, or at least it feels vegan leather. It's got hollow, silver hollow, gilded edges. Oops. The usual bookmarks. These are black and silver. And the usual pen loop. The usual gusseted pocket. And the usual rubber band enclosure. So this like very quickly became like my favorite journal for right now, at least. I don't know. This one, you know, the second one might hang out for a bit. But for right now, for just like messing around, the other one is what I'm using. Okay. I have their box over here. Don't worry, they're fine. I do this all the time. They're just going back in their box. Okay, now, these should not be a surprise. Because I had ordered, I even said I was going to order this. So I had ordered the Potion notebook from Halloween last year in a B5, and I ordered the dragon in the A5. So, there's last year's Halloween boxes with that silver hollow. And then here's the A5 size. So we already unboxed one of these, so I'm not going to do like an actual unboxing of this. This is just the smaller size. The last time you saw it, it was a B5. Now it's an A5. So now I have both. Oh goodness, this stuff is so clingy. Just going to pop that in there. Okay. And then this is going to be the B5 Dragon. And there's one more after this. Box looks awfully beat up, right? But I mean, it is from last year, so. Okay, and that's silver hollow, which is gorgeous. And there is the B5 Dragon. He's so cute. I love it. What did I just do with? Oh, here it is. Okay. I don't know why I keep them. I just keep them. Okay. And that one can go in there. And then the last one, I found it in the box. But it's already opened, so I might have just opened it out of curiosity. I don't remember if it was part of a collab or if it has a name. So if you do, let me know. But this one's the Garden Gate, and it's a B5. This is just like really pretty. So it's like the gold foil stamp of a garden gate, and it's got like flowers and leaves on each side, and then this little bird, and it's this mint green color, and it's all B5 size white decorated pages, and then we've got the mint green bookmarks and the gold archer and olive charm to match the outside. Gusseted pocket, pen loop, rubber band closure. This is a linen cover journal, in case that's like a thing for you. Like some people don't like the linen covers because they attract like fuzz and whatnot. If you have pets, it's definitely going to attract pet hair. So I just thought this was pretty, so I grabbed that. But yeah, I really don't remember if it was a collab or if it was just like an older release that I didn't have. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.